Today we're going to be talking about angles of triangles for lesson 3.2. The angles inside a polygon are called interior angles since they're inside. When the sides of a polygon are extended, other angles are formed. The angles outside the polygon that are adjacent to the interior angles or next to are called exterior angles. So remember that the interior angle measures of a triangle always have a sum of 180 degrees. So no matter what the three measures are, they should always add up to 180. We should use our basic knowledge of equations to help us find the value of x. So for instance, in the first one, we can say that the sum of these three angles would be 180. We can then simplify. 81 and 25 is 106. So x plus 106 is 180. The opposite of adding 106 is to subtract it. So now we can see that x is going to be 74 degrees. Go ahead and try number 2 on your own. You can see here that I have written out my equation. So x plus x minus 35 plus 43 equals 180. Now we can combine our like terms. X plus x is 2x. Negative 35 plus 43 is positive 8. Opposite signs, we subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Now we can subtract 8 from both sides to see that 2x is equal to 172. When we divide by 2 on both sides, we find that x is equal to 86 degrees. For exterior angle measures of a triangle, the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So non-adjacent means they're not next to. So we can see here that angle Z is equal to the sum of these two non-adjacent interior angles. Let's take a look at a few examples. So here in number 3, we can say that angle Y is going to be equal to the sum of these two angles. We know that 30 plus 40 is 70, so Y is 70 degrees. Now go ahead and try number 4 on your own. You can see here that I've set up my equation. My exterior angle of 4n minus 20 is equal to my two non-adjacent interior angles. Now we can combine like terms. 2n plus n is 3n. So I know that 4n minus 20 is equal to 3n plus 20. Let's start by adding 20 to both sides to get 4n equals 3n plus 40. Subtracting 3n from each side will help me simplify. So I'm left with 1n equals 40. Now, go back and look at the type of the question. It says find the measure of the exterior angle. N equals 40 does not give us this angle measure. We need to plug our answer in to this exterior angle to find the value of that angle. So 4n minus 20 when n is 40. 4 times 40 minus 20 is 160 minus 20, or 140 degrees.